Ever felt like banks are holding you back? Maybe you've spent hours filling out forms, only to get a rejection or a request for even more paperwork. It can feel like you're running in circles, jumping through endless hoops, and still not getting the support you need to grow your business. Or maybe you've heard all the hype about blockchain, but it just seems complicated. The jargon, the volatility, the technical barriers, it's enough to make anyone's head spin. For most entrepreneurs, diving into crypto or blockchain feels like learning a whole new language, and the risks can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to raise massive funding without banks and without diving into the world of blockchain? Imagine unlocking the capital you need on your terms, without the stress of traditional finance or the confusion of crypto. Sounds wild, right? But it's totally possible, and I'm about to show you how. The funding landscape has changed, and new doors are opening for entrepreneurs everywhere. First off, let's get one thing clear. The old ways aren't the only ways anymore. Banks are slow. They want paperwork, guarantees, collateral. They scrutinize every detail, and even then, approval is never guaranteed. For many, the process is discouraging and time-consuming. And most blockchain solutions, they're either too risky or just not practical for most businesses. The market swings wildly, and the technology can be hard to trust if you're not an expert. But here's the real secret. The world of alternative funding is exploding, and you can tap into it today. There are more options than ever before, and they're designed for real people, not just tech wizards or financial insiders. Let's talk about peer-to-peer lending. This isn't your typical loan from a faceless institution. No, I don't mean asking your friends for cash or passing the hat around at family gatherings. I'm talking about platforms where real investors, sometimes hundreds or thousands of them, pool money to back projects they believe in. These are people looking for opportunities, and your business could be the next one they support. You get the cash you need, and they get a piece of the pie. It's fast, global, and totally bank-free. The process is streamlined, and you can often get funded in days, not months. Then there's equity crowdfunding. Picture this. Instead of pitching to one stuffy boardroom, you pitch to the entire internet. Your story, your vision, your passion, broadcast to thousands of potential supporters. Platforms like Seed Invest or Crowdcube let you raise millions from everyday people who want to see you win. These platforms are built for transparency and trust, making it easier for investors to get behind your idea. They're not crypto gurus or Wall Street giants, just people who believe in your idea. They want to be part of something meaningful, and your business could be their next big win. And don't forget about revenue-based financing. This is a flexible, founder-friendly way to get the capital you need. Here's how it works. You get money up front and repay it as a percentage of your future sales. If your business grows quickly, you pay back faster. If things slow down, your payments adjust. It's a win-win. No fixed monthly payments, no banks breathing down your neck. You keep control, and your business can breathe. You grow at your own pace, and the investors grow with you. It's that simple. But here's the kicker. Success isn't just about the money. The best founders, those who raise millions without banks or blockchain, they know how to tell a story. They connect with people, inspire trust, and make others believe in their vision. People don't invest in numbers alone. They invest in vision, in passion, in the person behind the business. Your story is your superpower. Use it to stand out. So focus on building a killer pitch. Use video, use social proof, show real traction. Share testimonials, highlight your progress, and let your excitement shine through. So next time you feel stuck, remember, banks and blockchain aren't your only options. The world is changing, and new opportunities are everywhere. The world is full of people ready to invest in something real, something that matters. All it takes is the courage to reach out and the willingness to share your journey. All you have to do is show up, share your story, and ask. The right investors are out there, waiting for someone just like you. Ready to make massive funding happen? The tools are at your fingertips, and the possibilities are bigger than ever. It's out there. No banks, no blockchain required. The future of funding is here, and it's yours for the taking.